Hello and welcome to JavaScript lecture. Before going further anywhere, I would like to mention please subscribe to this channel and feel free to comment down below. If you have any queries related to topic, we have our Facebook group called Code for You, Learn Programming and Share Your Ideas, where we interact with by creating a poll and creating an interview questions to solve. Why should you join our lecture? Well, to make you feel better understanding, we come to you with both theory and practical session that gonna help you to better understand with everything you need. So let's begin.
So we have discussed much about JavaScript. Now here we'll be discussing about actual programming. That in JavaScript, how can you write a program? The very first thing is that JavaScript is written along with HTML mostly. Then how can you embed JavaScript into HTML? That is, how can you add or insert in simply? Just like if you have learned HTML and CSS, in that how you embedded CSS into HTML. Here is also the same processes in HTML. To add inline or making external file, we can connect it or can use it by the same process to walk through HTML and JavaScript. The method is different, but the process is same. That is, you have to link or they have their own method. So we'll be learning different method to embed our JavaScript in HTML document. So let's get started. Method of adding JavaScript. So we'll be using first inline method. So here we are not discussing inline about CSS. Here it is different thing. We'll be discussing this theoretically and practically too later. So in inline we have two options, that is inside head tag and inside body tag. Another option is external file. So let's start discuss about inside head tag, and then we'll be discussing about inside body tag. So before going to this, let me tell you something about external file. What is external file? This is the method in which you can make separately the JavaScript file and can be linked. It also have two ways, that is inside head tag and inside body tag. So firstly let's learn about inline. So here is the code written. Let me explain first. Firstly let's learn or understand about one tag, that is script tag. No matter what method you are following, then you need to follow the script tag. That is in between the script tag, that is this and this, you have to write all the JavaScript code. We'll be discussing in detail about script tag, that what should be written inside script tag and what is script tag in the next tutorial. So in inline, moving forward, that how can we write JavaScript through inline in HTML. Let's talk about inside head tag. So the code that I've written here is about the inside head tag. Here is the opening of head and here is the closing of head. Sorry, I forgot to mention here closing of head. And yeah, here you have learned about the adding of script tag inside head tag, and you'll be learning again here to add the script tag in the inside the body tag. Inside body tag, we have just added the same thing inside the body tag. Nowadays this script type is common, so let's get practical. So for this tutorial I'll be using CodePen,
Your text editor and start going along with me. So we'll be going through the inside head tag first and then inside body tag. So the title is nothing. Let me mention some message here. So inside head tag, what you have to do is you have to write your JavaScript code in between the script tag. Do you remember? So whatever you write JavaScript code be in between script tag. Nowadays this type is neglected. That depends on you. You write the type. Script type is text slash JavaScript. Okay, now write your message in between the script tag. Hello the founders. So if you want to style this text color, it is this, we can do that too. Let's take orange, and boom, you can see that. So you will be wondering here that the hello the founders is coming at the top of this body message. It is at the top because it's above the body message. It depends where you write the JavaScript code. Suppose if you write the same code in between the body above the message tag, that is header tag here, this will again generate the same message what you write above this message tag. So let's see, and what you can visualize is if you write above the this message tag, you will again find the what message you wrote at the top of this message, and if you write below this message, then you will see the same this line or what you write to display will be displayed under this message. So let's get for below first. As I have mentioned, everything should be written in between the script tag. So don't get panic about what is this document.write. This is a function called for JavaScript. We'll be discussing later for this term too, the different tutorial. Document.write. Thank you for being. Are you getting this? Look, the message is up below the heading. So let's write above the heading. What two verses? Now you can see. So this is it, guys. In the next tutorial we'll be discussing about the external file and how do you embed the external file into the HTML file.